Number 6. Marketing your business. Strategies for promoting your online business, including social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Welcome to this video on marketing your business. Once you've established your niche, built your website, and created content, it's time to start promoting your business. Here are some effective marketing strategies for your online business. First, social media marketing is a great way to reach a wider audience and engage with your customers. Choose the platforms where your target audience is most active and create engaging content that resonates with them. Second, email marketing is an effective way to nurture your leads and turn them into customers. Create targeted email campaigns that provide value and encourage action. Lastly, paid advertising can help you reach your target audience quickly and efficiently. Choose the platform that best suits your business, such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads, and create ad campaigns that are relevant and eye-catching. Remember to track and analyze your marketing efforts to measure their effectiveness and adjust your strategies accordingly.